Today's lecture 1 of Basic Electronics is about BJT as an amplifier. Welcome back to our channel Classes Like Community. So today we will be dealing on the topic BJT as an amplifier. So here what we do, we convert the transistor in a form of an amplifier. That means amplifier, what does it do? It converts a weak signal into a strong signal. Similarly, here we will use a transistor and we'll make it use as an amplifier. So it states that the transistor acts as an useful device by converting weak signal into strong signal by the help of amplifier. So to make a transistor work as an amplifier, we will use NPN transistor. So now see, we are using an NPN transistor, and how we will recognize it is an NPN transistor? When the emitter will be going in a direction, that means outside, the arrow will be outside, that states that it is a NPN transistor. And how you will remember, see, both the N will have the emitter and the collector, whereas the P will have the base. So let's use this transistor and see does our amplifier type it work or not. So let's begin. So the first step, we will have an NPN transistor. So bring an NPN transistor. So we brought an NPN transistor. Here the arrow is going, that means this side is a emitter. So next step, it says that the emitter base junction, make it remain forward biased. That means the emitter base will have to be in a form of a forward biased. So like this, it will be in a form of forward bias. So this IE will be the current from the emitter, whereas this VEB will be the voltage supply in the EB. Similarly, we will have in the collector and the base side, but it will be reverse biased. So it is reverse biased here, that is IC and VCB. Here will be the supplies and it will be reverse biased. So now we need to connect this emitter and the collector with a base. So we will bring a base also. So we brought a base and the base will have a current IB. Now we need to give an input this side, and this input will be weak. So let's bring our input. So this is our input which is stated as VI. Now similarly, we will get an output here in this side. So this part will give us the output. So see now, this is the input. So if we give an input of 0.1 volt, and which will give a current as 0.1 milliampere. And this side, what happens, this collector will also change the current and will use it. So the voltage we will get at the output is more than our input. What happens if we take a 10 kilo ohm in this side, it will be 10 kilo ohm into our 0.5, right? It will be 0.5. So we will get a voltage which is very weak in the input, and we use it and we use a transistor and make that weak signal into a very high signal, and we get a very much large or a strong signal than an input signal. So it states that the low resistance in input circuit, that means will be a low resistance in the input circuit. The emitter current caused by the input signal, that means this emitter current which we will get, that means 0.5 milliampere, contributes the collector current. That will only contribute this collector current which when flows through the load resistor RL, that means it will go through this load and result in a very large voltage drop and will cause us a very large voltage drop. Thus a small input voltage will result in a large output voltage, which shows that the transistor will work as an amplifier. So I hope you all understood how this works. So till then, be happy and have a great day. Today's lecture ends here. Now is the quote time. Teach the tongue to say I do not know, and thou shalt progress. I hope all of you understood the lecture of today, and thank you for watching.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at Class Like Community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.